Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Cerave Eye Repair Cream is probably one of the most sought-after eye creams in the market for tackling dark circles and puffiness, and today, we're diving deep into whether it lives up to the hype. We will explore its key ingredients, texture, application, and most importantly, its effectiveness in reducing the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. I'll share my honest thoughts and experiences after using it for several weeks, providing you with all the information you need to decide if this eye cream is the right choice for your skincare routine. Number 5. Cerave Eye Repair Cream. Are you tired of looking tired? This cream helps reduce puffiness and dark circles, leaving your under eye area looking refreshed and hydrated. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid to retain moisture and niacinamide to soothe skin. The unique formula provides long-lasting hydration. This fast-absorbing cream has a non-greasy feel. It can be worn alone or under makeup, making it perfect for your daily routine. It contains ceramides 1, 3, and 6-2, which help restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. These are essential for healthy-looking skin. This cream is safe for use around the eyes and is accepted by the National Eczema Association. It's suitable for even the most sensitive skin. What we like? It provides long-lasting hydration without feeling heavy. If you have sensitive skin and need a gentle yet effective eye cream, this is a great option. Its lightweight texture makes it perfect for daily use under makeup. What people say? The cream is lightweight and smooth, not greasy at all. It absorbs quickly into the skin, so I don't have to wait long before applying makeup or going to bed. It really helps with puffiness and dark circles. My under eye area looks more refreshed, and the bags under my eyes have definitely reduced. It also feels really hydrating. I've been using the Cerave Eye Repair Cream for a few weeks now, and I'm incredibly impressed with the results. The cream is lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly into the skin. I love that it contains hyaluronic acid and ceramides, which help to hydrate and restore the delicate skin around my eyes. After just a short time, I've noticed a significant reduction in the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. My under eye area feels smoother and more refreshed every morning. It's gentle enough for my sensitive skin, and I appreciate that it's fragrance-free. I've tried a lot of different eye creams with no noticeable difference, but with the Cerave cream I noticed a difference right away. My dark circles wrinkles are less visible, so it works well. It's also non-greasy but hydrating and leaves my eye area very soft. Number 4. Baebody Eye Gel. Do you want to look younger around your eyes? This nourishing eye cream brightens dark circles, reduces puffiness, and deeply moisturizes to diminish fine lines. It's the secret to a more youthful appearance. This cooling eye cream is perfect for both men and women. It includes a peptide complex to boost collagen production, Brickell 3000 to reduce fine lines, and cucumber to instantly depuff your eyes. This hydrating eye gel is allergen sensitization tested, making it safe for all skin types. It's gentle enough for daily use, morning and night. This lightweight eye cream comes in an innovative pump dispenser. This ensures less waste and easier application every time. Made in the USA, it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and phthalate-free. It's self-care, simplified. What we like? It offers an instant cooling sensation and helps reduce puffiness. If you are looking for a quick fix for tired eyes, this is the one for you. The peptide complex helps to improve the overall appearance of your under eye area. What people say? Upon immediate application, the gel soothes my puffy eyes as effectively and gently as cucumber slices, but without all the mess. It minimizes the dark circles under my eyes and its results get better over time. I noticed my under eye puffiness was almost immediately improved with this product, even within the first 24 hours or so of use. It's very soothing and cooling. If anything, it's helped to delay the development of more fine lines, and smooth the ones that exist. Number 3. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream. This advanced eye cream is specially formulated to target the delicate skin around your eyes. It's designed to visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles, leaving you with a more youthful look. It contains dermatologist-proven retinol and hyaluronic acid. Retinol helps fight wrinkles and dark spots, while hyaluronic acid adds moisture and plumpness. This cream is clinically proven to smooth skin and improve its texture. You'll notice a visible reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles with continued use. It effectively targets stubborn crow's feet and dark circles, brightening and evening your skin tone for a more radiant appearance. Say goodbye to those under-eye concerns. It's gentle enough for daily use and free of parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. This makes it suitable for even sensitive skin. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. This is the retinol eye cream most recommended by dermatologists. Experience the visible results and see the difference for yourself. What we like. It contains retinol and hyaluronic acid to fight wrinkles and dark circles. If you're targeting fine lines and wrinkles, this is your best bet. It's clinically proven to deliver quick, visible results. What people say. Easy to apply, gentle, greaseless. I have been using this product 5 to 6 days a week for a little over a month now, and I have noticed a softening in the lines around my eyes, especially when I wear foundation and/or powder. I have a lot less creasing than I did before. It fills the lines under my eyes. Number 2. Brickell Men's Restoring Eye Cream. This advanced eye cream is specially formulated to address men's unique skincare needs. It's designed to help you look and feel your best. It effectively targets wrinkles, under-eye bags, and puffiness, leaving the skin around your eyes looking smoother and more refreshed. This cream helps to diminish the appearance of dark circles and crow's feet, giving you a more youthful and vibrant look. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue, making it perfect for everyday use. Made with natural and certified organic ingredients like aloe, peptides, and green tea, it nourishes and revitalizes the delicate skin around your eyes. As a leading men's skincare brand, we're committed to providing high-quality products that deliver visible results. Join the millions of satisfied customers who trust our brand. What we like. It's formulated with natural and organic ingredients, perfect for sensitive skin. If you prefer natural skincare and want to reduce puffiness, this is a great choice. The unscented formula is ideal for those with sensitivities to fragrances. What people say. The cream is lightweight, unscented, and absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue. In just this short time, I've noticed reduced puffiness and some improvement in the dark circles under my eyes. Pros: lightweight, unscented, not greasy, moisturizing. Reduces puffiness. Its lightweight formula quickly calms any puffiness, which is especially helpful after a long day or an early morning. Non-greasy application. Unlike some other creams, this one absorbs beautifully into the skin, leaving no greasy or shiny residue. It's perfect for daily use. Number 1. Cerave Skin Renewing Eye Cream. This Cerave Eye Cream is specially designed to hydrate and smooth the delicate skin around your eyes. It helps to visibly reduce wrinkles and fine lines, leaving you with a more youthful appearance. It's formulated with caffeine to reduce puffiness, peptides to target fine lines and wrinkles, and niacinamide to smooth your skin. This powerful combination works to revitalize the eye area. This gentle eye cream is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and ophthalmologist-tested, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin, including contact lens wearers. It contains 3 essential ceramides, which are naturally found in your skin and help to maintain its protective barrier. This ensures your skin stays healthy and hydrated. Cerave is developed with dermatologists, so you can trust that it's effective and safe for various skin types, from dry to oily and sensitive skin. What we like. It deeply hydrates and visibly smooths the skin around your eyes. If you are looking for an anti-aging eye cream that addresses wrinkles and puffiness, this is an excellent option. The combination of peptides and caffeine helps to firm and brighten the skin. What people say. It's so smooth, not greasy. Great for sensitive skin and works great. A little goes a long way and lasts all day. I've only used this stuff a couple of days but already see a huge improvement. Goes on smoothly, very light feel-good moisturizing for the thin skin under eyes. A little goes a long way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.